We're checking out this fan. This is the company, and it's a 12 volt, 18 volt, 20 watt fan. It collects the sun, solar powered. It also has 18650 batteries, 6 of them inside, that you can, replace them if you know how to do it. And this fan runs off a DC 12 volts for your car and AC power port. It also has a USB plug on the back when you turn the fan on, with 12 speeds of brushless motor. So let's show you what the fan looks like and let's get started. The instruction guide, the 110 volt with special DIN plug, the 12 volt plug for the car, and most likely these things have fuses inside in case they ever burn out to replace them. This solar panel, 18 volt, 20 watt, already put together with the bracket and wing screws, and a long enough cable that you can place anywhere outside to collect sun. They have a dedicated cable, special cable, and it has this piece here that is not needed. This is the fan with large thumb bolts to tighten, rubber feet, 3 of them, place on the table so it doesn't slide around. Adjust to the height you need and tighten up or loosen to adjust again. On the back of the unit you have a power button, a plus and a negative button. This will light up and tell you how much power you have in 25 seconds. As you can see, there is the light. It'll go off in a couple of seconds. When you press it, you'll see the blue light and the speed that is on. And you could adjust it from 12 down to 1. On the back of the unit, you have over here is a USB-A port to charge your phone or anything that accepts up to a 1.0 amp rating. This takes a few hours to charge, and it takes 5 to 24 hours of runtime depending on the mode and how you use the product. The fan is on speed number 1. It goes nice and gentle, and you can feel it if it's nice and close up. We're going to plug in the USB-A port. We are charging a unit. You can see the green lights to the charging cable. And when we shut the unit off, we no longer are going to be charging. This has a 12 volt low power consumption to save the battery. In the back of the unit, we plug in a DIN cable. We should see the light go on when we have ample sun. We'll bring the panel closer to the window. And we need a little bit more sun to charge the unit. When we shine a beam of light onto the unit, you can see it charging. And when the sun goes away, the unit will stop charging. When we're fully charged, the unit should shut down. We can run the unit while it's charging. It always starts at 12. We can run this 24 hours like so. If we start to increase the power, we're going to lower our ability to run it 24 hours. It'll go down 23, 22, 21. Give you an idea, we have the light on indicating that we have power. We take our cable, we'll plug it into the unit, and we are charging. We are running off of a power bank 12 volt. If we don't have sun all day and the 12 volt car is not available, you're in the household, then you can simply plug into the unit and you could charge and run it all day long, all night long, 24/7. These are protective tabs. They come off. You can leave them on so you can protect the corners. They are for shipment only. And we're going to run this outside, collect the sun, run our unit. This is great if you go to the beach and you're having a picnic and you want to cool yourself off. You got an attic upstairs that needs ventilation. You could put this up on the roof and put this in the attic. You could do just about anything. A basement, you want to run your basement cool all summer long, day and night. You could have this fan running just like so. Let's go hook this up, show you what it looks like. We put this in the sun. We run our cable into the house. We plug in our fan. We have a full charge, it's collecting sun. And I'm going to run this all day long. Come back tomorrow, see if it's still running. This is the indicator of charging and the lights are off. So let's unplug it. Plug it back in. It's a good thing that it lowers down so it can, you know, keep you not lit up at nighttime. And we are the next day 100% doing a good job in the fan. So we're going to increase it up to like number 2 or number 3 and just enjoy the gentle breeze. To speed number 7, I'm going to get close to the camera and I feel the breeze right here. It's comfortable indeed, doing a nice job. And this is a nice fan. The decibels are not loud, it's comfortable. And the sun will do a good job charging it. I hope this is something that you are looking for outdoors 24/7, camping, picnicking, going to the beach when it's hot, in the attic, a basement, anywhere you need to have a fan, at work, outside at work, that you work in a field and you need to have some, you know, cooling. This is the solar panel, 12 volt, 20 watt, 18 volt solar panel system that'll do a great job for your needs. This is a great fan. It may do a job for you if this is what you are looking for to cool you off in those times. Enjoy your fan. Oh yeah, man, this is great. I don't need it this powerful. I'm going to lower this down and bring it down to number 3. There you go. Maybe I'll bring it down to number 1. Let it just circulate the air. Enjoy, everybody.